Welcome guys, so today I am with JBL Flip Essential and I'm going to show you how we can perform the hard reset of the speaker. That's very simple. As you can see, I'm currently connected with my Android smartphone, and also you can find the power button right here. So we have to for sure power on your speaker, and then to perform the hard reset you have to use these two buttons. That's the volume up and the play button. We have to click and hold them for a few seconds until our speaker power off, and this connection will be just also disappear. So you can also take a look on these indicators. The first one will highlight on the red. So take a look, click and hold these two buttons right now. Take a look on the indicators, and there it is. Right now we can release the buttons. As you can see, we are not connected anymore. Of course, the device stays with the previously connected devices, but right now when we power on the speaker by tapping on the power button, take a look, the speaker automatically moves to the pairing mode. So right now when I try to select my JBL Flip Essential, I will get the new pairing request. So it means that the settings of our speaker were restored to the default. As you can see, we are not connected anymore, and then it just moved to the available devices. If you have any problem and this power button is not blinking on the blue, so it means that you are not in the pairing mode. To enable pairing mode, you have to click once on this Bluetooth icon, then you have to power off this Bluetooth, power on back, and then on the available devices list you will find for 100% your JBL Flip Essential. So you have to select from the list, accept the pairing request, and there it is. Right now you will be connected. As you can see, that's very simple. So one more time, to perform the hard reset on the speaker, power on, then click and hold these two buttons until your device turned off, and then enter the pairing mode by tapping on the Bluetooth icon once and select your device from available devices list. So that's all guys. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.